When I grow up, I want to be a heavy equipment operator.
At Book Belong Pikinini, we take an holistic approach to children's education. We seek to provide children with solid foundations in literacy, numeracy, health awareness, and cultural knowledge. But above all, we seek to instill a love of learning. With this series of readers, we invite the children to think about their futures and to understand where their education may take them. We are proud to introduce our Papua New Guinean mini professionals who will lead the way in telling us what they want to be when they grow up.
When I grow up, I want to be a pastry chef. There's a lot to learn.
To be a store manager, you need to have great people skills, be very organized and pay attention to details.
When I grow up, I want to be an engineer. There's a lot to learn. To be a successful farmer, you need to know traditional farming methods taught by your elders. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse. There's lots to learn.
To work in IT, you need to be curious and fast self-learner. You have to work under pressure and be really good at problem solving.
When I grow up, I want to be a pilot. There's a lot to learn. It takes a special person to be a an ambulance paramedic. You have to make life-changing decisions every day. When I grow up, I want to be a bank teller. There is a lot.
We hope they will inspire many brilliant careers to bring Papua New Guinea forward, powered by education and strong minds.
As an early childhood teacher, I let children develop key skills for the future. I'll be teaching the children to read, write, do basic numeracy skills, all the while having lots of fun.
When I grow up, I want to be a pharmacist. When I grow up, I want to be an architect. There's lots to learn.
Education is the solution. Let's hear it from the children.
There's a lot to learn.